Next, let us look at the management of fixed capital and why it is important to manage fixed capital. Fixed capital refers to investments made in long-term assets such as land, building, machinery, and equipment. These investments have long-term implications for the business, affecting its growth, profitability, and overall risk. Now, how do businesses make decisions about fixed capital? This is done through something called investment decisions or capital budgeting, which we have previously discussed. Essentially, companies allocate capital to those long-term projects or assets that will drive their future operations. Because these decisions involve large and long-term investments, they must be financed through long-term sources like equity, preference shares, debentures, long-term loans, and retained earnings. This is important. Fixed capital should never be financed through short-term sources because this could lead to financial instability. Now, let us move on to why fixed capital management is so important. First, fixed capital decisions have a direct impact on long-term growth. The assets that you invest in today will shape the future growth and returns of your business. Making the right choices today is critical for sustaining success over time. Second, fixed capital involves large capital requirement, and these investments often block significant funds. So it is essential to plan and analyze these decisions thoroughly. Any mistakes here could tie up resources in unproductive projects. Third, fixed capital investments carry substantial risk, especially since the sums of money involved here are large, and poor decisions can have a long-term and long-lasting effect on the overall risk profile of the business. And finally, these decisions are irreversible for the most part. Once you commit to a project or a large investment, reversing it or changing the decision can lead to heavy financial losses. So it is crucial to make well-informed choices upfront. In summary, managing fixed capital is about making strategic long-term investments in the business. And these decisions will drive the growth, profitability, and the risk profile of the firm for years to come. So, ensuring that you finance these projects correctly and make thoughtful, well-researched choices today is key.